Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk beauty, health, lifestyle, hygiene, just a little bit of everything. And today I'm going to show you how to make the most nutritious and delicious oatmeal you've ever tasted. And what we need is our egg, apple, bread, peanut butter, our oats, milk, margarine, and our cheese. So if you're interested to know how I make my oatmeal, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. for you guys, the food is ready. In between the toasted bread is the cheese and the margarine. You can go ahead and serve it with milk or water depending on your choice. And for your baby, mash the egg yolk and stir in the oatmeal. If it's too thick, you can add milk. Go ahead and enjoy with your family. I hope that you love it. I never liked oatmeal before until my husband introduced me to this recipe, and since then I eat oatmeal every morning. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Also check my other videos too. The link is on my description box. Take care of yourself. Show more kindness wherever you find yourself. And I'll see you guys soon.